Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and to anyone that is new here, hello, my name is Christy. I am a personal stylist that helps women rise to their highest and best selves through style, and I'm super excited to have you here. Now today I am very excited because I'm going to be providing you with tips to help you elevate your outfits, your look, so that you can look a little bit more expensive in your everyday look. And this can be done on any budget with these tips. So I'm so excited to share them with all of you. I had done this type of video a couple years back and wanted to provide some new fresh tips for all of you. So let's dive in. This video is sponsored by Lily Silk. So Lily Silk, thank you so much for partnering with me on this video. You guys, I am so excited to show you some of the pieces that I am crushing hard over. Now, the first tip to elevate your look and look more expensive on any budget is to select fabrics with sheen. Now, all of you know I am a huge fan of incorporating a little bit of evening into your daytime. I just think that slight nod to evening really elevates a look and does make it look a lot more expensive. It just matures the outfit a little bit, makes it look a little bit rich. And this is one of the reasons why I love Lily Silk pieces. So I have a blouse of theirs that I have fallen hard for. Now, this is a very classic blouse in a gorgeous, gorgeous light tan color. They come in a bunch of different colors, so I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check out. But I really love the sheen to this blouse. It is absolutely stunning and could elevate any piece you pair it with. So whether you are a jeans gal, whether you're someone that loves to wear trousers, if you have a skirt, whatever the case may be, something with a little bit of sheen is really going to introduce a new level of sophistication to your outfit and really is going to help take your outfit up a notch with whatever you decide to pair it with. Now, the beautiful part about this blouse is it is silk, and silk is normally incredibly expensive. And one of the reasons I fell so hard for this brand is that their silks are incredibly affordable. They really create luxury fabrics for a fraction of the price of where you would find them everywhere else, and they're still beautifully, beautifully made. The quality is excellent. It is so nice against the skin. Actually, I'm even wearing one of their sweaters right now. It's so comfortable. But they just are next level for a very, very affordable price. Silks normally reach into the hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and this one is very, very affordable, which I'm so, so happy with. And silk, I mean, it just makes you feel next level, even just to wear silk to begin with, or at least for me, it does. Like, gets this kind of luxe feeling to my outfit and my vibe during the day. But when you do get to pair it with some of the casual items in your closet or maybe some of the work attire pieces, it just looks so, so good. So you will see this blouse in many looks that I'm going to be showing through this video, but you'll see that I paired it with just a very simple, basic pair of denim, and just putting this blouse with denim instantly makes it look a little bit better. If I were to put it with something like a basic t-shirt, let's say, for example, you're not really going to get that same level of dress with your denim. So again, that sheen, that beautiful silk, right? Even this beautiful like light camel color that they have is really what's going to elevate your basic denim or your work attire. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Highly recommend that little bit of sheen. The next tip in making your outfit look more expensive is to tuck. Now, tucking I love for a number of reasons when it comes to your style. The first being that it does really elevate how you look. So I have a clip here of me wearing one of the Lily Silk blouses in that gorgeous light tan, and I've left it untucked with just a beautiful, simple pair of jeans. Now, the jeans I love, they fit my body well. They're, you know, a nice silhouette, and there's nothing wrong with wearing the shirt untucked. I know a lot of people do it. However, when you do go to tuck in your shirt, whether you want to do a half tuck or something that goes all the way around your waist, that tuck just instantly makes things look a little bit preppier. It creates a little bit of polish to the outfit, and to me just creates a nice modern sophistication that makes your look more intentional, more polished, and more expensive as a result. And the best part about this is that it is such a simple thing that you can incorporate into your closet and into your outfits going forward. Just tuck your tops, tuck your blouses. And doing so not only makes the look more polished, but it also helps draw the eye up and actually will elongate the body. So if you were to look at, you know, the first outfit where I've got the jeans untucked and then the second where it's tucked in, you'll see that the body does look a lot longer by doing that. It makes such a difference in how your body looks. And like I said, really crisps out the way your outfit looks as a result. Just looks so much more sophisticated. The next way to elevate your look so that it looks a little bit more polished and expensive is to use structured pieces. Now, this can go many different ways when it comes to your style. So one of the ways that I really like is to use the use of blazers or outerwear pieces to add or introduce some structure to your outfit. Now, a third layer is always going to make an outfit look more interesting in general, but when you start off with something very simple, like a turtleneck like this one is a beautiful cashmere piece. Again, so affordable compared to what you find everywhere else, so affordable. And it's such a beautiful quality and so snugly against the skin. But this lily silk piece, just a nice, simple, easy classic that will, stand the test of time in your closet. So when you pair that with a nice simple pair of denim, like I've done with just some simple flats, and then I introduce a structured blazer, that immediately is going to make my outfit stand out a little bit, and it's going to take it up a notch. And it does make the outfit end up looking a little bit more refined as a result. Now, you can also take it a step further when it comes to structured pieces. So with this outfit that I've been talking about, I'm going to show you two examples of a bag. Now, the first one is one that you've seen many times on my channel, my black fringe bag that is shapeless. It's a little bit more slouchy. There isn't really much structure to this bag. And not that there's anything wrong with that. You could definitely pair this type of bag with the outfit, but you will see it really doesn't add any value to the look. It really doesn't take it up a notch. It's just something kind of fun and quirky to the look if I would choose to wear it. However, when I swap out the bags and I choose one that is more structured, like this gorgeous camel bag, this sort of envelope style, you'll see that the polish and structure of this bag does take it up a notch. So it's something that's going to add a little bit of elegance to the outfit. And because it looks a little bit more refined, it will thus make the outfit look a little bit more expensive. So it doesn't matter what the investment of the bag is or the blazer or whatever the case may be, use your classics and elevate them with those gorgeous structured pieces. Right? And I do think that classic pieces in general, like this turtleneck, for example, is another way, that aside, to make your outfits look a little bit more expensive because you are choosing timeless things. But like I said, when you do pair it with those gorgeous structured items, oh my God, it looks so good. The next tip for making your outfit look more expensive, and this is one of my favorite things, is to use monochrome outfits. Now, I love choosing one color and having it run through an outfit. Something about it is so lengthening. It really makes the silhouette look nice and tall. There's nothing interrupting the eye as it travels down your body. And to me, it just looks so modern and chic. I love it. So this one, I actually have two outfit examples to show you guys because I love it so much. The first is, again, wearing this gorgeous cashmere sweater from Lily Silk, and I paired it with a gorgeous white trouser, wide leg trouser as well. Wide leg trousers to me also are just something that's so timeless and so elegant to wear. I really, really love them. But when I love an all white look, like God, there's so many things I love about this outfit. But when you have something that is very monochrome like that, it is just so lengthening. And white to me is just such a beautiful neutral. It's classic, it's timeless. And when you marry it together in one outfit, I just think it looks so expensive and chic. It just really, really takes your outfit up a notch, and oh my God, it just looks so refined. I really, really enjoy this type of look. Now, I also did the same kind of thing with a light tan or camel look. So I'd taken the initial Lily Silk blouse in that gorgeous light tan, and this time I paired it with a pleather pencil skirt. Now this one is actually a color you don't see that often in that beautiful camel. Normally you see a lot of pleathers in black, so you know me, I'm always more of a fan of color. But I love, again, pairing that tan and camel together for more of that monochrome look. I just think it looks so, so beautiful. And this is something easily that you could wear to work. You could maybe wear it out on a date. You could wear it out I don't know, going for drinks with your friends or something. There's so many ways that you could wear, or sorry, so many purposes you could wear this outfit for. And I just love a pop of a leopard clutch with it. I just think it looks super cute. But, you know, monochrome looks to me are always going to look so elegant. I don't think you can ever go wrong when wearing a monochrome outfit, and it does not have to be in a neutral. You could do monochrome outfits in blues, in reds, in greens, grays, black, whatever. But that lengthening, elongating effect that a monochrome look has, to me, is just effortlessly chic. The fifth tip in making your outfit look more expensive is to make use of dainty accessories. Now, this is one that I think most people can really get behind. I think that most people probably have a special everyday jewelry item that we wore that was maybe gifted to us from a partner or family member, or maybe that we gifted to ourselves, or maybe it's not even an expensive piece of jewelry. It could just be something that we fell in love with from a store that's just a nice, simple, dainty piece. Now, I love these because it plays again more on the classic timeless jewelry, and sometimes simple is better when it comes to, you know, upping your game with an outfit. But I also think you should have fun with it, because having fun with your accessories is what fashion's all about if this appeals to your style. And I love taking dainty accessories and layering them. Now, you don't have to do this, but it's a way that you can create a subtle statement with some of your everyday items, if you will, and still create an impact, a statement in your outfit without feeling like you have to go for the large, bold, trendy jewelry that's out there. Now, if you're someone that doesn't want to layer necklaces, because I know there are some of you out there that say, oh my gosh, it always gets tangled, it drives me crazy. Totally get it, I understand. But you can also grab maybe like statement earrings that are a little bit dainty. So I'm wearing these ones that, again, you have seen multiple times on my channel. I absolutely love these. It has a little bit of a crystal bling that's sort of embedded in the earring all the way around, but it is also very dainty. So it makes a very subtle statement that can make an outfit look a little bit more expensive. It's not bold and in your face and over the top trendy. And not that trendy is a bad thing, but when you go really bold and crazy, it may not necessarily look as refined and expensive in an outfit as you want it to. Not a bad thing, you don't always have to do that, but dainty pieces, I think, when you're trying to elevate an outfit and make it look more refined, is the way to go. And thank you so much, Lily Silk, for partnering with me again on this video. I so appreciate it and loved partnering with you on this, you guys. You have to check out their stuff. Seriously, I am obsessed. They have so many good pieces that are very affordable. So I will leave the link for their pieces down below. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. And other than that, my Style Squad angels, I love you to the moon and back, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye, guys.